Good morning, students. Once again, I am with you. We have seen two chapters in social science. The first chapter that you have studied was from history, and the chapter was nationalism in India. And the second chapter that I am going to ask you from geography, and that is also the resource and development. So I hope that you have gone through these two videos. The chapters are already taught to you. Question answers I left for you, that you should read the book and find out the answers from NCERT books. Beside these, I am sending you some of the notes related to these two lessons. Today I am sending you the PDF. Please go through these notes also and find out the answers from, and read these notes in such a way that the questions can be prepared from these even. So you are requested, please, whatever the videos sent to you, go through them, understand them properly. Any questions, objective, as you are well aware that 10 marks MCQs will be asked and 10 marks question will be subjective. Means you have to write the answers in a proper way. So if you are not reading the lesson properly, not reading the chapter properly, you will not be able to answer them. So I hope that you are having the books of NCERT, social science. The chapters are less in number, only 2 chapters are given to you. So it will be easier for you to read them properly and then to answer whatever the questions are asked. Today I am sending you the PDF notes related to these 2 chapters. Beside this, you also can search some of the notes which are available on the net even. And if you have any refresher, please read the refresher also. You will find a substantial matter in these type of resources and you will be able to perform well. Whatever the videos I have given to you, please watch them again before facing the examination. And it is already declared that 10 marks MCQs will be there and 10 marks subjective questions will be there. Questions may be from NCERT, may be from notes. So again and again I am repeating, please take care, prepare well and go through it. It will not be a trouble for you to score good marks if you are understanding everything in a proper manner. Not only the understanding, but these are the matter related to memories also. Means you have to keep them stored in your brain memory. So if you are reading them, if you are going through them and having a sharp memory, then nobody can stop you to perform well. Only this I want to say today. This is not about the subject, but this is the motivation and what I will ask you, from where I will ask you, that I am going to deal with you. So some of the PDF notes I am sending, go through them, go through the lessons or chapters that you have completed from NCERT or refresher. So this goal is there. Hope you will perform well. Again, the next lesson I will deliver it to you, and the same one more chapter we have completed, I will send very soon the PDF notes of that also. Thank you very much. All the best before the examination. Once again I will meet you.